Our next step is to get our string into the pipe. We have 140 feet, give or take. So the knot that we're going to use, you can see that. I believe it's called a slip knot. It will open and close. So as it tightens, as we pull, it actually tightens. So we're going to vacuum this pipe. We're going to take our bag. There's a couple different ways of doing this. I'm going to do it this way. We have a 4-inch pipe, so we actually need this bag to fill up that whole thing, because if we make a really small mouse, it won't take it. So this should be good. That's all tight in there now. And you can go back, start the vacuum, and we'll send this through, see if it works.
Cool.
Thank you. Okay, so Logan started the vacuum. We do have, there we go. Not sure you can hear that, but I do have suction, so let's see how fast this will get there. Just flying through. There we go. He's got it. That took less than 30 seconds. And he's way over there. Logan, check it! Logan! You got it! You have it! You should have it. If not, it's very close. He's got it. Look at that. Love it. All right, and this is the pulling twine that we use. It's extremely strong. It does say somewhere on here how much it's rated for. Yeah, 1,800 pounds. So this is the best stuff to use when you're pulling service feeders through, that size of a pipe. It's way better than rope, in my opinion.